From hot mess to organized. I'm going to show you how I decluttered my pantry and welcomed 2019 with a little bit of minimalism. Okay, so this is my pantry. It's a hot mess. There's stuff everywhere. Yeah, so I just started at the bottom. The bottom I have all my cans, and also while I was doing this I inventoried everything. So something I am looking into is basically inventorying my pantry and my refrigerator and my freezer probably about once a month or so, and then basically going shopping from there and then figuring out my meals. So I'm just kind of revamping the way that I meal prep or meal plan for my week, and starting off with the inventory of my pantry is the first thing that I did, and this went pretty fast. At some point my kids jumped in here and they decided to help me, mainly because I had the camera out and they wanted to be on film. But yeah, so they were helping me. And like I said, I inventoried everything and wrote everything down. Also eliminated things that were expired. And look how much pasta I had, first of all. I feel like I just bought new pasta every time. And I never really looked at the fact that I had pasta in there. Yeah. Anyway, so moving on from the pasta, I also inventoried my baking items and like my dinner items. I didn't have a lot of the dinner items in there. I was very surprised at that. I mainly had a lot of baking things and a lot of canned goods and stuff like that. But there were some items that I could use for this week's meal planning and use to make some quick meals and some easy meals. So once again, like I said, on the shelf, I'm just going through eliminating anything that is expired. I wrote down also the quantities of items that I had. So if I had 2 of something, or for example the Jello, I had like 5 of those. I wrote that down as well so I could know how many I had and if I needed any. So this is the end result of my pantry. It is pretty mainstream, sleek right now. I am loving it. I love every time I open it. It looks good. I can see where everything is. And yeah, it's inspiring me to get to cooking. So, oh, and one more thing. This is my trash. This is like how much food or expired items that I threw away. It was probably like a bag and a half, regular size trash bag, and a half size full of stuff. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, you want to see more decluttering or see how I'm cleaning stuff, trying to maintain this minimal lifestyle or trying to start this minimal lifestyle, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.